Hey everyone, and welcome to the Flooring Corner. If you're new here, my name is Clarice.
And I'm Johnny.
And what we do on the channel is provide easy to digest flooring information videos, whether it's a product guide, a do-it-yourself guide, product review, or testing out product to see if it's waterproof, stain resistant, or easy to clean. And today we are going to do a mustard challenge. We are going to stain 3 different carpet samples with mustard, and we are going to start with the Shaw Nylon. And then we have a Dreamweaver Polyester,
Yep.
and then a Mohawk Triexta.
There we go.
And so what we'll do is stain them with mustard, let them sit for a few minutes before we wash them out and see if the stain comes out or not.
Yeah.
So before we do that, we're gonna go over a couple of differences between the different fibers.
So one thing we want to look at is durability. So nylon and the Triexta are probably one of the most durable fibers that you can use for carpet. When we talk about durability, we're talking about how well the carpet bounces back up due to compaction, like from foot traffic, something like that. So nylon, Triexta bounce up, be better off than the polyester. But when we talk about stain resistance, like we're going to do today in the mustard challenge, polyester is probably the most stain resistant product that there is naturally because it's hydrophobic. It's a hydrophobic fiber, so it naturally repels water. Nylon and Triexta, they have to be treated with something to make them stain and resistant.
Yep. Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, why are we using mustard?
Why?
And we wanted to do mustard because it has turmeric in it, which is a naturally found high performance dye that is found in mustard seeds. That's how mustard is yellow. And so we just want to test that out to see this stain resistance on carpet and how well it can come out or not.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to head to the kitchen right now and go stain some carpet, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Okay, we're going
Let's
to
get started.
This is the Dreamweaver carpet, which is the polyester.
Go ahead and splat it on there, right there. There we go, that's perfect.
And then this is the Shaw Nylon.
There we go.
And the Mohawk
Good
Triexta.
mustard. Now what we're going to do, just to kind of give you the rules here, we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then clean it off because we're afraid if we let it sit past 5 minutes that we're not going to be able to get the mustard off here. So the way we're going to clean it is the best way to clean it is to scoop the extra mustard off there first, right, with a spoon or some kind, and then we're going to try to kind of blotch and get as much mustard out as possible, and then we're just going to drown it in water and soak. So
All right.
let's try that.
Stay tuned.
Let's get to scooping.
Okay, so we're going to scoop off some of the mustard off the top of the
Try not to smear, which is going to be hard to do.
This is really not going to work.
Try to get out the turmeric. I think you did better than I did.
You're doing all right.
You want to get that last one there?
Okay.
Or do you want to start washing?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Start washing.
Oh.
And here comes the cleaning lady. Don't mind her.
Okay. All right, now we're just going to use some cold water and see what happens.
Get this puppy clean. It's not going to be as good as the Smart Strand, is it? It's coming out pretty good.
It's coming out all right, but it is definitely staining yellow. But it's coming out for the most part. It's not coming out all the way. So,
It's hot.
no, let's do cold water first. You want to add soap?
Here, let me get a little soap in you. You want to get another piece? I'll start massaging this.
All right. Now we're using some warm water.
And I'm getting the soap in it to get a good scrub.
Alright, so about one's just rinsed with water. Pass it on over.
Let me try that.
Okay. Yep. So far, this one looks like it's staining, but with just water, it's come out a little bit.
Yeah, it's come out
but
pretty
I
good.
think using some soap helps.
I think we're going to be able to
a
get
little
these
bit
clean.
better. Yeah. So with just water, there is a little bit of a stain left, and then when you do add some soap to it, it seems like it is taking it off a little bit better
Yeah, let's try.
than just water. So of course you can't take your carpet off your floor and rinse it under the sink like we are, but if you have a sponge or a rag or something that's wet in soap, then maybe you can dab it, blotch it, and just kind of try to scrub it out as much as possible. But
If worst comes to worst, you can get somebody to shampoo your
Or
carpet. This is
shampoo
what we're
it.
trying to prove, is that it can be cleaned.
Yeah, so this was the
It's a Shaw
Nylon. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I think so. Soap and water, it looks pretty good.
That's the Dreamweaver
Dreamweaver Polyester.
I think this Mohawk Triexta is looking good.
Yeah,
over here.
that
I think
was-
that one looks really good.
So now Dreamweaver Polyester looks like it came out with just soap and water. And now the Mohawk Triexta. Also looks like it came out.
It's pretty good.
So
Pretty good.
starting off with just water gets it, the first rinse, soap and warm water definitely takes out the mustard off the carpet. So yeah, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at the samples
We're
now that
done.
they've been washed out. This is the Shaw Nylon.
Can you see that? Stain-free mustard is out of that joker.
Definitely out.
Okay.
And next we have the Dreamweaver Polyester.
Dreamweaver high-grade polyester here. Nice product.
It also came out.
Yep. Beautiful.
Very nice. And then the Mohawk
This is
Triexta.
the Triexta, the Smart Strand Triexta. Looks great. No stain. I can't even see any
Yeah, you
mustard
can't
whatsoever. Now, just to recoup what we did on these samples. So mustard, whenever you clean mustard off of the carpet, you want to take it, you want to scoop off the extra mustard first. You don't want to wipe and smear that extra mustard in. If you have dried mustard on there, you can actually spread fresh mustard on top of the dry mustard, let the acidic set up, and then you can pull all that.
It reactivates the turmeric,
Exactly
which
right.
is something we found out.
Right, so you want to do that, get that off, then you want to blot with a cloth, with a wet cloth of some kind, and get as much of that turmeric out as you can. And then you want to do some warm water and some soap, and then you can kind of scrub that and get it all out. And then last, you can always shampoo the carpet if you can't get it out. Because we know that you can't put your carpet underneath the sink, and we would never recommend bringing a water hose in and just spraying it all over your carpet. And another thing, try not to eat mustard over the top of your carpet. Yeah, keep the mustard off your carpet.
Yeah, definitely. And in the description below, we will have links to all of these different products so you can get more information on them. And also check us out on social media. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to stay up to date. And on social media, we are at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for joining us. We'll
Check us
see you
out.
next time.
GeorgiaCarpet.com as well.